everyone, I hope you are doing fine. This video is a continuation of my June monthly journal. In this video, I will talk about my journaling habits. What types of journal do I follow? I am sure the way journaling has helped me in some way, it will benefit you also in the long run. Should you know more about my journaling habits and how the journals that I have maintained over years have helped me to grow as a better person, to know about it, watch this video till the very end. Journaling is nothing but recording or writing down in a piece of paper or a diary or the modified journals that you get readily available in different markets and stationery stores what you plan to do in the coming days. Some people do it, some don't do it. I have been highly benefited from journaling and planning and scheduling prior what I intend to do in the coming days, the next day or in the coming week. So, in this video, I want to talk about journaling. I hope it helps you in some way or the other. Welcome to another new video by Book Tales by Preeta. If you want to know about journaling, do watch this video till the very end. But before I begin today's video, have you subscribed my channel Book Tales by Preeta? If you haven't subscribed Book Tales by Preeta still and the subscribe button is still red, please click the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I come up with new videos every week on personal growth, on books, on life and on career. To know more about Book Tales by Preeta, do follow Book Tales by Preeta on Facebook. There is a Facebook group by the name Book Tales by Preeta. You can follow Book Tales by Preeta on Instagram. The Instagram handle is also by the name Book Tales by Preeta. There is a Twitter handle which is @PreetaSharkar18, and to follow my blogs, you must follow it at preethasnotebook.wordpress.com. The link of all the social media handles are given in the description section below. Now, without further ado, let me begin with the kind of journals that I have been following over years now. Hope it may be of some use to you as well. If you have seen the thumbnail, you will realize that all the journals that I follow are nothing but old diaries that I have at home. Now, I don't like buying fancy journals from stationery stores. Rather, I stock old diaries. I also collect old diaries and I use it and reuse it for journaling purpose. Now, let me show you the first diary. In this particular diary, I write about all my ideas and plans for the YouTube. Now, you know what happens? Many a times, I see many videos, then think of doing it. All those ideas, I write it over here. I write it in this particular diary. Some of them ultimately gets published to the YouTube channel and you see it. Let me tell you, whatever the ideas come, the number of videos that get posted on my channel is only 5 to 10%. So if I have 50 ideas, only 5 videos finally get posted to my YouTube channel, which you see it. So all that ideas that keep coming in my head, I note it down in this particular diary or journal. The next, this is, if you can see, it is a diary of 1991. I had kept it and I got hold of it. In this particular diary or journal, I write down what I will do tomorrow. Every night, most of the days, I write down everything that I plan to do next day. There are a list of 5 things maybe tomorrow and a list of 10 things maybe day after. I also have a habit of putting a tick to the activities that I complete in one particular day. And in this way, it also helps to keep a track of, like, since I work from home, I'm not wasting my time. I'm using my time in some productive activity. For that nurture also, this I believe, writing down and checking whether I have finished that particular task in that particular day is very important. This is important for personal growth, motivation, because if you work from home, then there are many things that can distract you, make you feel frustrated. So for your own benefit and betterment, I would suggest everyone, keep a diary like this in which you keep a track of the things that you do in one particular day. The next diary that I will show you, this one I am following I think for the last 2 years. In this particular diary, if you don't know still, I have an online accessories business called Trinket. All the accounts of Trinket, like whatever the expenses I make, whatever the money I get, I like to write it down in a particular diary, and for that I have used this particular diary. Again, in this diary I write my daily expenses related to Trinket. Apart from this, I also have Excel sheet wherein there is debit, credit, many things. But this is my habit of jotting down every income and expense that is related to Trinket in this particular diary. Now, this diary, this is like a big knowledge bank for me. Even 2 years back, I did not know how to post a video in YouTube, how to do digital marketing, what are the tips, tricks. I used to religiously follow different channels on YouTube. You know what? I have realized that if you want to educate yourself, YouTube can be your best tutor. You just have to devote your time, energy. Videos on YouTube can be watched for free. And if you are keen to learn something, then YouTube can be a very good teacher for you. So in this particular diary, all I have written down are the notes. Whether like how to open a YouTube channel, what kind of content works in YouTube channel, how to sell products on Amazon. All this knowledge, learning, etc. I have, and I do have a habit of writing down everything. So in this particular diary, I have written down every minutest thing about digital media, about social media that I have learned from YouTube in the past 1.5 to 2 years. So this diary is finished now, but this diary is like a knowledge, knowledge hub for me. So whatever if I forget anything, I just search in this particular diary and it acts as a good resource for digital knowledge to me, coming only second to the YouTube knowledge. Next to this, I have another diary, and if you can see, the word business organization is written over here. Now, if you don't know, I also work as a PR marketing consultant. Now, whenever I have PR marketing events, I do need to plan out a particular event. Which media do I need to call? Who are the reporters I need to contact? All the plannings and everything I do in this particular diary. So, if somebody opens this diary, he or she will get to know all my contacts that I have built up in the last 10-11 years of my working. So this diary is serving me for that purpose. Apart from this, I have also created a journal dedicated to the month of June, which I had shared in my previous video, and the link of which I'll give it in the cards over here as well as in the description section. Now, let me tell you, what is the need for writing so many things in so many different diaries? By now you can understand, I do different kind of jobs, so I need to remember everything. And to remember everything, I think, in my case, writing helps me a lot. And so I have specific journals, diaries or notebook, whatever you say it, to help me in this particular task of mine. Also, these journals I have seen help me to organize and plan out things in a much more better manner than it used to be previously. Thirdly, when you are working alone, these kind of things are important for motivating you, for building up your morals. Even we feel frustrated, even we feel left out. But by the end of the day or by the end of the week or end of the month, when we see that, okay, I have done this much of job as I had planned previously. If not anybody else, I pat my back. Okay, this much job, I have done it on my own. So I have realized one thing. By regularly maintaining these journals over past 4 years, 4.5 years, that these are very important for your self-development and personal growth. If you find this particular video of mine of any use to you, please like this particular video and do comment in the comment section. Again, that is also important for building up morale for very small YouTubers like me. And to know more about Book Tales by Preetha, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I will visit you soon in my next video. Till then, tata and goodbye, and hope to see you soon in my next video.